Even you can check for the thumbnail designing YouTube. You can see these are thumbnails. These are the thumbnails created by the. You can see these are attractive thumbnails. You can see the comment. The happy customer. See. You can see all of these reviews. These reviews are given by the customers from their satisfaction. You can see 1 day ago. You can see 1 day ago the thumbnail design. These are the satisfied customer results. So if you want to this kind of thumbnail services, you can check our bio. From there you can get these services. See it's looks like a movie, like a thumbnail. You can see